Hello and welcome to this LGfL video where we're going to cover the recovery of SharePoint back to Microsoft 365. So first of all, you must open up a browser and connect to app.gridstore.com and then log in with your Gridstore username and password. And once we're in here, over on the left hand side you can see Google Workspace, Machines Backup, Microsoft 365 and Zero. So in this case I'm going to go straight into the Microsoft 365 area and in this case choose SharePoint, and you can see I've already backed up on the 15th of December and I'm currently protecting 29 gig of data across all of my SharePoint sites. So in this case I'm going to come up to the right hand side and click on the recover button and choose recover back to SharePoint. Okay, so I'm now going to choose the SharePoint site which I wish to recover from, and this has 1.2 gigs worth of data, and of course I can choose the different points in time. So in this case I'm going to choose how my SharePoint database looked like on the 13th of December, and then right at the very bottom I can click on recover, and I can either choose to recover to the original site and it will overwrite the files that might already exist. In this case, I'm going to recover to a brand new site, so I'm going to choose that option. I'm now prompted to log in with my Microsoft Administrator username and password. And as you can see at the bottom of the screen, a recover to the cloud has now started. So we'll just have to wait for that data to be restored to Microsoft 365 SharePoint. Okay, fantastic. Now that the restore has completed, we can go into Microsoft Office 365, and if we click on the admin area and then show all, and then down to SharePoint, and then to SharePoint sites and active sites, you'll see there is my SharePoint site restored on the 13th of December, and then I can browse into that site and view all the content. Thanks ever so much for watching.